In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background in Section Builder Vertical Bar 2026 Vertical Bar step by step. We're working inside the Divi Builder and our goal is simple. Add a background to a specific section so your content stands out and looks polished. Begin by opening the Divi Builder for your page. Once the builder loads on the home page, you'll see your layout divided into sections. These are the broad horizontal areas that contain rows and modules. Make sure you've identified the exact section where you want the background to appear. A quick tip: double check the section label or boundary highlight so you don't accidentally edit a row or a single module. Click directly on that section to open its settings. If you don't see the settings at first, select the section frame until the settings panel appears. On the right-hand side, look for the settings panel and click the Content tab. This is where Divi organizes options related to what appears visually inside the element, including the background. Next, click on Background. This opens the background controls for the section you selected. Here you'll notice multiple background types. You can choose from color, gradient, image, or even video, depending on your design goals. For this walkthrough, we'll use a solid color to keep things clean and straightforward. Select the color background option, then click the Add or Plus button to apply a background color to this section. This opens the color picker. Choose a color that supports your content's readability. High contrast is your friend. Dark backgrounds work well with light text, and light backgrounds with dark text. If you have a brand color, you can enter its exact hex code to keep your design consistent. As soon as you pick a color, look back at your canvas. You'll see a live preview of the background applied to the section immediately. This instant feedback makes it easy to fine-tune your choice. If the text becomes hard to read, try nudging the shade lighter or darker until it feels comfortable. If you don't see a change, confirm you're editing the correct section and that you're still in the background area under the Content tab. That's it. You opened the Divi Builder, navigated to your homepage layout, chose the right section, opened its settings, went to Content, selected Background, picked the color option, clicked to add it, and verified the live preview. With these steps, you can quickly give any section a professional, cohesive look that aligns with your design.